The first thing that we have made when we designed these two products is based on customer feedbacks. You know, we have been delivering a lot of drone for surveying, bringing the LiDAR technology for survey, but the main feedback, they wanted to have something smaller, easier to transport, easier to on the field, faster and more efficient. So we have designed the smallest LiDAR drone available on the market. On payloads, so you have 3 payload available. So the UHR Plus, which is the best Microdrones LiDAR payload so far available, and you have the UHR and UHR Lite. So of course, it wins all the added value of Microdrones, being MD cockpits. So we use and benefit from this mission preparation software that you use it for plan the mission, but also to operate the drone. Integrate directly NB cockpits on the RC. So instead of having the RC and the tablet, it's everything all together, easy and compact. That's the whole idea with this new product. We thought about safety with this product, improving the reliability and making sure that the survey do the best job possible. So what we have developed is leveraging the LiDAR sensor to actually follow the terrain and making sure that you have the right coverage and the right overlap of the ground. Of course, we bring additional value, the front sensor, the FPV camera, the looking down sensor, so everything that we have implemented in this new drone to improve safety and reliability. So far we have a really great response from the market from these two products.